There's something truly special about cooking and eating crab. Maybe it's the cracking of the shells, the delicious aroma, or the sweet and delicate meat. Whatever the reason, crab dishes are always a treat. Let's explore some amazing crab recipes that are easy to follow and will impress your friends and family. Get ready for a culinary adventure. From classic preparations to those with a spicy kick, the world of crab recipes offers a flavor adventure for every palate. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking for new inspiration, these recipes provide a delicious starting point for your culinary journey into the heart of shellfish delights. Let's begin with a classic, garlic butter crabs. This recipe is simple, quick, and absolutely bursting with flavor. You'll need fresh crabs, of course, along with butter, garlic, salt, pepper, and a touch of lemon juice for that final zest. The key here is to use high-quality butter, as it truly elevates the taste of the crab meat. Start by melting the butter in a large pan. Add crushed garlic and cook until fragrant. Next, add your crabs to the pan and toss them in the garlic butter until they are evenly coated. Season with salt and pepper, then squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. Cover the pan and let the crabs steam in all that garlicky goodness until they are cooked through. Serve your garlic butter crabs immediately with crusty bread for dipping into the delicious sauce. The beauty of this recipe lies in its simplicity. The garlic butter enhances the natural sweetness of the crab, creating a symphony of flavors that is both comforting and satisfying. If you're looking to add a kick to your crab feast, chili crab is the way to go. This popular Southeast Asian dish is a fiery explosion of flavors, featuring a rich and spicy tomato-based sauce that perfectly coats the crab. For this recipe, you'll need chili paste, ginger, garlic, tomatoes, eggs, and a dash of sugar to balance out the heat. Begin by sautéing the chili paste, ginger and garlic until fragrant. Then add chopped tomatoes and simmer until the sauce thickens. Crack the eggs into the sauce and stir gently to create ribbons of egg. Finally, add your crabs to the pan and coat them in the glorious chili sauce. Allow the crabs to simmer in the sauce, soaking up all those incredible flavors. The result? A dish that is spicy, savory, and utterly addictive. Serve your chili crab with steamed rice to soak up every last drop of that incredible sauce. Section 4: Global Flavors. Exploring the zest of black pepper crab. Let's travel to another part of Asia and explore the bold flavors of black pepper crab. This Singaporean dish features a pungent and aromatic black pepper sauce that perfectly complements the sweetness of the crab meat. The star ingredient here is coarsely ground black pepper, which adds a wonderful depth of flavor. To create this masterpiece, start by stir-frying black peppercorns in oil until fragrant. Then, add your crabs to the pan and stir-fry until they are lightly browned. Deglaze the pan with a splash of water or broth, scraping up any flavorful bits stuck to the bottom. Finally, add your sauce mixture, which typically includes soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sugar. Allow the crabs to simmer in the sauce until they are cooked through and coated in the peppery goodness. Black pepper crab is a testament to the power of simple ingredients combined with expert technique. The boldness of the black pepper is beautifully balanced by the other savory elements, creating a dish that is both sophisticated and satisfying. Section 5. Beyond the recipes, tips, and tricks for perfect crab dishes. No matter which crab recipe you choose to try, here are a few tips and tricks to ensure delicious results. Freshness is key. Always use the freshest crabs available for the best flavor and texture. Don't overcook. Overcooked crab can be tough and rubbery. Cook crabs just until they are heated through. Seasoning is crucial. Don't be afraid to be generous with your seasonings. Salt, pepper, and other spices enhance the natural sweetness of the crab meat. Get creative. Once you've mastered the basics, feel free to experiment with different flavors and ingredients. Add herbs, spices, or even a splash of wine to your liking. Remember, the most important ingredient in any recipe is love. Cook with passion and your crab dishes are sure to be a hit. Section 6. Embrace the crab craze, a final call to culinary adventure. From the garlicky goodness of garlic butter crabs to the fiery kick of chili crab and the aromatic delight of black pepper crab, these recipes offer a glimpse into the diverse and delicious world of crab cuisine. So, gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and embark on a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Happy cooking!